Hello everyone, my name is Gage, and today we'll be doing a tutorial on how to draw an abstract face. We'll start from here because accidentally I did erase the beginning of the drawing, but it's no problem. Obviously, I just blocked in the eyes, the nose, and the lips. The most important part is to make sure these are as placed as perfectly as possible, but we know we're human and we're not measuring. There's no tools here, no circles, no lines, so they're going to be out of place, and that's okay. Even the best artist in the world doesn't put eyes and nose and lips in perfectly every time, the first time. They'll put them in, rework them, erase them, and move them. But for us, for me, we can use a Sharpie. So every mistake we make just has to be creatively put into the drawing, and inevitably it's going to change the final form of the character, but it's fine. I like having something unique. In the beginning, the drawing looks creepy, weird, and wrong, and that's okay because it's supposed to. People get scared at this stage, think they messed up or throw it away or restart. But you just have to trust yourself that over time you'll be able to move things where they go. And really there's no wrong way to draw a face, especially if you're just kind of having fun. If you make a face wrong or doesn't look like the real person, that's fine, because it doesn't have to. Everyone's different, and it just looks like a different person altogether. So it's like you drew someone that didn't even exist before. And I think that's much cooler than drawing someone that does exist. Because if you want a good picture, just take a photograph. This is art. It's about drawing unique things. Things that don't exist. Interesting things. So all the mistakes I made on the chin and the side of the face, I'm just going to make shadows out of them. It's no big deal. I'll leave you to the drawing, and we'll check back in as we begin to shade. after shading in and going over and over and over again, you can see the drawing that was once horrible and wrong and weird looking has now turned out to be something pretty cool. It's definitely unique. I've never seen this person before, and that's the best part, because we've created them. I created them, and whatever you're drawing, you'll create that person too. In the bottom right, the shadows, even though it was a mistake, they kind of look cool. Today I'm using a new color of highlighter, orange and yellow. And with the blue, we'll accidentally get some green in there. I'm not sure where to put the green yet. I don't know if it's gonna be a shadow or skin tone yet. I don't know. As I continue drawing, I'll figure out where to put it. With a highlighter, I'm just trying to figure out and block the shapes of the light. Where the highlights are going to be, the midtones. The orange and yellow are the midtones. The blue and green will be the shadows. And the pink is obviously the light. We'll work it just like an oil painting. Putting lines of color, blocks of color everywhere. The only difference is these don't blend, obviously. So it's kind of like a crude oil painting. I've discovered that using highlighter is really a good way to practice for painting, because if you do this a lot, when you get to painting, it's going to feel a lot more natural. In fact, when you start oil painting, you're going to realize how much easier it is than using this, because you can blend colors, move them around, go over them if you're wrong. In the moment right now with these highlighters, if we cross colors and accidentally make a green, for an example, it's not supposed to be green, we just have to kind of live with it. People are afraid of oil painting, but really it's the easiest medium, because everything you do can just be erased and gone over, reworked until it is perfect. Again, that's why I like using the Sharpie, because every stroke matters. It's permanent. I'll let you guys watch the shading, and I'll get back to you at the end of the video. So we're nearing the end of the drawing, and as you can see, the ugly drawing in the beginning has now turned into something pretty cool. All the mistakes that we've made just kind of look like they were supposed to go there, and that's the best part about this. No one has to know it doesn't look like the picture. It's just a completely unique person to them. Hope you guys learned something. Hope you guys are inspired to pick up your own Sharpie, your own highlighters, and kind of just have fun. And if you mess up, you can always just throw it away. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.